Hey Wood Chopperoos, Chad here, and by the title of this video, yes, it's true. I've decided to not go on and do a fourth season with the I Can Do It series over there at Popular Woodworking. It's not to say that the show ended on bad terms by any means. In fact, you'll still probably see me over there doing articles. I have a book coming out this fall, the I Can Do It series book, and we've also even talked about collaborating on some videos other than the I Can Do It stuff. For me personally, I just had some opportunities that arose, and I decided I couldn't do everything for everyone. I had to choose what I thought would be the best decision for myself. And one of those decisions was, you can see now that Woodcraft proudly sponsors the Wood Choppin Time videos, which allows us to give you a new video now every week. And we have some other exciting news coming in the upcoming months that we hope to share with you, which is going to allow us to have a lot of projects, more creative freedom and ideas to do things. And Safety Dan and I are actually thrilled about the direction that our show is going. So I want to thank you and encourage you to keep watching the I Can Do It series. It's a very good show. I'm sure they'll keep doing wonderful projects. David Lyle will be your new host over there, and the new episode airs April 18th, so look for that, and I'll give you updates on it as well. But again, I want to thank you so much, and if you like Wood Choppin Time, please like and subscribe, tell your friends, and until then, keep on dancing.